I'm going to tell you how you could earn $700 per week from Clickbank. So let's get started. Hey, what's up guys? I'm back with another video. If this is your first time here and you want to learn how you can make money online and generate a passive income, then start now by subscribing and clicking the bell so you don't miss anything. And guys, I've got a great video for you today. If you're looking for an easy way to make $100 a day from Clickbank, then you're going to love this video. I'm going to teach you about my favorite traffic method that I've been using to promote Clickbank offers. This method does work, so pay close attention and I'll walk you through it. So let's start by logging in and finding yourselves a good offer to promote. So after you guys have logged into your Clickbank account, you're going to go to the marketplace and you're going to see all the offers that Clickbank has to offer. Now, when you guys are just starting out and you're looking for your niches and you're looking for offers to promote, I would suggest you try and stick to ones that are a little bit less competitive. So a good one to start out with would be something like home and garden, languages, self-help, sports, travel can be good. I would stick away from betting systems. That can be kind of tricky, or anything gambling related. E-business is also good to start, like making money online and stuff like that. It's very easy to promote that kind of stuff. So let's take a look at some of the offers that they have here on Clickbank, and I'll kind of explain a little bit about what to look for and what makes something a good product that you should promote and how to pick your products. So first thing, let's go into e-business. I like e-business. I promote a lot of e-business stuff and I do well with it. So I'm going to go over some of the products that they have here. Now, when you're looking at it here, one of the big numbers you want to look at is gravity. So gravity is just a number that they use to measure how popular and well a product is selling. So I believe the way they calculate it is it's the amount of people that have made a sale for that product in the last 30 days or a certain amount of time period. So something that has a higher gravity means a lot more people are making sales and making money from it. Therefore, it's a much more popular product and people are doing well with it. So it's something that you should look at. But on the other hand, if the gravity is really high, that also means when you're looking at stuff like paid ads and stuff like that, your cost is going to be a little bit more because it's going to be more competitive for those keywords. So you really need to look and balance the gravity and competitiveness. So what I like to do is if something's like really high, like 200 gravity, I generally kind of shy away from that. I usually look at stuff that's around 40 to 100. That's usually what I look at for gravity. But you'll have to do some playing around and trying and testing and see what works for you. Now, once you've looked at gravity and you've picked something, you say, okay, this one looks like it's a popular product and it looks okay. The next thing you want to do is you want to actually go and take a look at the product itself and see what the website looks like, or the landing page looks like. So for example, let's say we see something here like passive profits. Okay, we notice it has a good gravity around 50. Average sales a little bit low, but that's okay. The average rebill is not too high. So you know what, actually I'd probably skip away from that one. And let's take a look at this one here. CB University, 70,000 students, recurring for life, join us. Average sale 236, so it's pretty high, that's good. Initial sale is $77, it's pretty good. But they do have a good rebill and the gravity's pretty good. So let's take a look at their actual website and see what the landing page looks like.
Hey, it's Justin.
Ooh, that's loud. So we look at this here, it's for Clickbank University. I do know this product, this is a good product. Next thing you want to do, so once you've taken a look at that and you say, okay, you know what, I like the landing page and it seems good and everything's okay and it gives like information and everything, you can watch the video, pick up some sales copy and stuff you can use for your ads. But I'm not going to do that in this video. I'm just going to go with a run over and show you the program. So next thing you want to do is you want to take a look and make sure that they have an affiliate page. Now it's really important that they give you resources that will help you market it, because you don't want to be sitting there writing emails and all kinds of stuff and sales copy and creating banners and all this stuff like that. It's nice if they actually give it to you. They provide you with that material you need so you can market the product. Okay, so we're going to take a look and see what they offer here. I got to just put a name here. James, doesn't matter. james@james.com, doesn't matter. And then you come here and you're taken to their JV tools. Okay, so this is all the information they give you. They explain how the commissions work. They give you email swipes, which is really nice because that way you don't have to write them. It can take a bit of time to write email swipes if you're going to be doing email marketing. This also can be used for sales copy, so you can take a look at what they're using, what they're mentioning if you need to write an ad or something. They give you demographic breakdown. They explain their top locations for sales, devices. And they give you a bunch of keywords here, which is really nice as well. So you can use these keywords when you're targeting ads. But again, if the gravity is really high and they're giving you keywords, you might have higher competition for them. So therefore your cost might be a bit higher. but these are the ones that they suggest, so it's a good idea to try them first. And they also give you all the banners. So this program here is good. They pretty much give you everything you need. So I'd have no problems marketing something like this program. I have marketed it before, so I do like it. But I'm saying if I was looking at this cold and I didn't know the program, I'd have no reservations about trying to market this product because they give you everything. And also give you, this is nice too, which a lot of programs don't do nowadays, is they give you a lead magnet, something you can give away to build an email list. So they give you like a little ebook. Let's take a look at a few other products that they do offer here. We'll just close out of here. Okay, so we've taken a look at the CB University program. It's a really good one, lots of resources, so it's easy for you to promote. Let's take a look at one more. So let's go here. Here's what we're gonna do. We're gonna limit the gravity. So let's put the gravity so it's not the 0 ones. And I don't want it to be too much, so we'll go like around, I don't know, let's see here, 67 or so, and we'll see what comes up. This is on all categories now. Let's just go all categories, press enter there. And this one's average sale. Okay, let's take a look at this one, Sacred Sound Healing System. First, we'll take a look at the website. All right, they've got, yeah, lots of info. Yeah, this is pretty good. Yep. Yeah, okay, that's fine. Let's take a look and see what the affiliate page is like. Okay. Sign up. Okay, I'll just click that. Okay, let's be in there. That's good. And let's see what kind of stuff they give. All right, they give email swipes, they give graphics, they give wow, they give a lot of stuff. Yeah, this is a pretty good one to promote. Landing pages, even if you want from ClickFunnels, they give you a landing page, which is pretty good. Ad copy, they give you creatives, demographics, keywords. Pretty much, they give you everything you need. Yeah, you know what? I'd have no problems promoting this because it would be very easy because they give you all the product, all the information you need. So it'd make it very easy to get started on it. Anyways, after you found a product that looks good, you're going to need to find a good traffic source. For this, we're going to be using ad clerks, but you could use buy sell ads, propeller ads, or something similar. I prefer ad clerks for a few reasons, mainly because the amount of information they give you. It makes it really easy for you to research each site and decide if it's going to really work well and convert for the offer that you want to promote. So for example, let's take a look here. When you log in and you create an account, you're going to see this page. You're going to have all these listings and everything. These are all websites that have traffic that are looking for ads to sell on their website. So for example, let's say you want to take a look at this one here, freestream.io. It's got 976,000 impressions and they're selling it at 50 cents per 1,000 impressions. Now, that's really cheap. Guys, that's really cheap. Generally, when you're looking at the prices, if it's under 5 CPM, okay, this is cost per mille, which is 1,000, it's cheap. Okay, so 50 cents per 1,000 is really cheap. Usually what that means is the traffic is not very well targeted, so it's more of a general traffic. Whereas something like this, which is going to be a bit more expensive, this is much more targeted because it's a website that's on nutritional dieting and stuff. So if you're putting something that's like a dieting ad or something for nutrition or supplements or something, it's going to do a lot better than on this site because there could be people that are not interested visiting that website. So you really need to make sure that you're taking a look at the type of ad that you're running is going to match the type of website that you want to place it on. There's no point if you're going on something like free Bitcoin, which is always going to be for cryptocurrency and making money and stuff like that. There's no point in putting something on that's going to be for, you know, how to do woodworking or knitting or something like that. It's just not going to convert well. So find something like an affiliate product that matches the website. Now that could mean you could go on Clickbank or any of these other affiliate websites like Max Bounty and stuff like that and find a product and then look for websites. Or you can go on here, you can find a website that has space and then say, okay, which product on Clickbank is going to work for that product? And speaking about back to like non-targeted traffic, if you have an offer that's non-targeted, you know, like for example, let's say you're on Max Bounty and maybe it's something for like a free gift card or something like that. These websites here for like these link shorteners and all this stuff like that, they can be very good for that because you don't really care about the traffic. You're not like, okay, who's going to be interested in something for free? Anyone. It could be someone that plays games. It could be someone that's like into cryptocurrency. It could be someone that's into knitting and woodworking. Everyone might be interested in that. So it doesn't really matter. So you can go for the cheaper traffic. And when you have found like a website that you're interested in, like for example, let's say you like this one here, this busybodytribune.com. You click on it, and what I like to do is I like to take a look. I see the amount of traffic. I see what their cost is. That's expensive. This is going to be premium, you know, because cost per 1,000 is 25 is what it looks like. That's expensive. They're all available probably because they're overpriced. And you look at the traffic is all from US. But what I like to do is I like to actually go to the website, and I like to take a look at the website and see what it looks like. So let's say I was going to buy this one and I was going to go for the header ad or footer ad. I like to go to the website here, and I like to take a look, and I like to say, okay, the footer's going to be, header's going to be up here. What kind of content they have? Footer's going to be probably down here. And I take a look at the website and I get a feel for it. It gives you an idea of where your ad's going to be and whether or not the image that you're using for your ad is going to stand out enough. Like right now, this is a very busy website. Like there's a lot going on here. When you're looking at this page, it's like your eyes are drawn to 1,000 places. So it's going to be very difficult for your advertisement to actually catch people's attention on this kind of web page. So I would probably not advertise on here. I'd probably go for one that's a little bit more subdued, because that way you can make a really bright, bold ad that people are going to notice and they're going to click on, because it's important that you have a high, you know, click-through rate. You don't want, you know, your ad to be shown 1,000 times and nobody clicks on it, because it doesn't make you any money then. So that's why it's important that you check the website and make sure it's going to work for your advertisement. So let's just get out of here. So this one here, I probably wouldn't go. It's really expensive and the website's really, really, really busy. So I wouldn't go for that one. So let's get back out of here. And they also allow you to go by category. So if you're promoting adult stuff, you can go adult, affiliate, whatever. And you can take your Clickbank offer. Let's say you're going to be doing this one here. This was the hearing one. So this is spirituality, new age. So let's just take a look and see which one would be the most, I guess, family and religion would be the most one. So you can take a look here and say, okay, maybe this one, audio web Bible. Sure, why not? 1,000 impressions. And you can take a look here, all night United States, and you can go take a look at the actual website. So yeah, judging by this website, I wouldn't advertise on here. Look at all the ads you're going to be fighting for. This website was created purely just to show ads. They don't care about the content or anything. Yeah, you can play this like one little file here, but all it is just these ads. And honestly, I doubt anyone's going to click on these ads here that comes to this website. And I'm suspicious that this guy's getting 1,000 page views per month. So yeah, I would not advertise on there. And that's why, guys, it's really important that you do your research on it, because you don't want to be wasting money on stuff. So let's go another category. Let's go affiliate and SEO marketing. And we see what we got here. Blogger stand. Let's take a look. This one's going to be a blog website. These are usually pretty good because the designs are usually not so busy. It's more geared around the type, like the text on there. So your ads will show. Now, these are available. That's good. Side banner, homepage. It's got 175,000 monthly impressions. You could go on SimilarWeb and check to make sure that's legit. So you can just go to SimilarWeb and then copy the URL and then check to make sure that it is actually legit. So let's take a look at the website here and see what they offer. Now, okay, so here's one of the advertisements. Okay. Yeah, this one looks pretty good. I'd probably be comfortable advertising on something like this. Yeah, so we got the ads here and everything like that. It's a little busy here, but it's like that with a lot of websites. So yeah, this one's okay. This one would be worth it. I would be comfortable advertising here. $70 for this. Price is okay. It's not too bad. Yeah, so I'd be comfortable with this. Another things you got to do, guys, is when you're thinking about where you're going to be placing the ads for your Clickbank product, if you want it to do well, put your mind in the set of the type of person that would be interested in that product. It's very important that you make sure that you get your mindset and you make sure you match those two together. And if you do, you're going to notice you're going to have a much better conversion and much higher click-through rate from your ads. And anyways, guys, so basically what you're going to do, guys, is after you found your Clickbank affiliate product that you like and you're happy with, and you found a website that you want to advertise on, you've got to simply find the banner you like, go back to your offer on Clickbank. So for example, if it was this one here, I'd go back to here. I go down to my resources. Where are my resources? Did I zip past them? Oh yeah, I got to click on the actual, sorry guys. Click on the affiliate product, affiliate thing, and go here and get my graphics. Find the graphics that works for whatever it is. So let's see here, we've got 300 by 250. So hopefully they're going to have one that's 300 by 250. They have 300 by 300. There we go. So then you simply find one of these ads that you're happy with, that you'd like. And what I would do is I would go onto that website. I would find where that banner is on the website. Then I would take a look at these ads and I would see which one would look the best and jump the best and stand out the most from everything else on that website. And then it's a matter of just clicking adding it to your cart. Now they also do offer ad bundle. Actually, no, what I want to show you real quick, guys, is where you get the link for your affiliate offer. So I got to go back into Clickbank. Okay, now let's say you wanted this, where do we go? Okay, we'll just go for the CB University. Click on promote. Select whatever, let me just drag that over here. Select whatever one you want and just click generate hop links. Oops, make sure that you're logged in so it's got your Clickbank affiliate ID. All right, then just click on generate hop links and it's going to give you a link here. Then all you do is click here to copy it, and this is the link that you're going to send all your traffic to. Okay, now going back to our ad clerks thing here, they do offer these things called ad bundles. Now you might think to yourself, oh, this is a great deal, really easy, for 20 bucks I get this and that. But when I started breaking down the numbers from them, I found out they weren't that good of a deal. It's actually better just to pick the publishers yourself. So there you have it, guys. That's my foolproof method for generating revenue from Clickbank offers. Try it out. It works, trust me, and it's easy to do. You just need to find an offer you want to promote and then head over to ad clerks and drive traffic to it. It's as easy as that. And if you follow my tips that I shared and the steps I laid out, you should be able to see some good results from it. Anyways, guys, I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, thumbs it up, comment something, and subscribe. I'd really appreciate it. It helps me, it helps the channel. Until next time, I hope you have a great day, and I'll see you then.